Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardest Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the HD audio on the MARSHALL KILBURN III speaker on your Android device. So, at first we need to open settings, and here we have to go into connected devices. Here we have to tap this, wait a moment, this gear icon here, and now if you scroll a little bit down we can see HD audio AAC. You can either disable this option or enable this option back again using just a simple tap. The HD audio is nothing but the codec that increases the audio quality of our speaker. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below.